Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to fix Bluetooth not working in Windows 11. So guys, to resolve this problem you can try some easy methods. First one, click on Start and left click on Settings. Now in here scroll down and select Troubleshoot, then Other Troubleshooters. Now inside Bluetooth click on Run and follow this screen. To fix your problem, you must restart your computer and again run the troubleshooter back. So now you restart your PC, and after restart, again click on this Bluetooth and click on Run. And after restart, hopefully this method will fix Bluetooth problem. And guys, still you are facing error on Bluetooth, so you can try another method. Close it and click on Start. Type here Services. Open Services. Here guys, find out Bluetooth services. So guys, here you will see some Bluetooth services. Bluetooth audio gateway service. Double click on it. Select startup type as automatic, then apply, and it should be running this status. Click on OK. Bluetooth support service. Double click on it. Select automatic, apply, and Bluetooth user support service. Automatic, apply, select automatic and apply. Now close it and restart your PC. And after restart, still you are facing problems, so try last method. Click on Start and type Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Now here guys, expand Bluetooth. So here you will see some Bluetooth service. Right click on it, update driver, and select browse my computer. Let me pick and select. Similarly, Bluetooth USB model. Double click on it. Right click on it, update driver. Browse my computer and select let me pick from a list of available. Now select here generic Bluetooth adapter or Bluetooth USB model. So select anyone. Then close it and restart your PC or laptop. So hopefully guys, using these simple and easy steps we can fix and we can resolve Bluetooth not working in Windows 11 problem. Thanks for watching guys. Please share, like and subscribe the channel for more useful and latest videos.